Nadula, hey girl. So Nadula sent me, I think this is a Jerry curl wig. Yes. Or maybe a water wave. I'll link it down below in the description box. They sent me this wig to try out. So this is a 13x4 wig. It has 3 combs, adjustable straps. It has light brown lace. It is pre-plugged and it does have very small knots. All right. So I decided to put this wig on one of my childhood friends. Her name is Narissa. She is a music artist and she owns The Last Trap in LA. So if you guys did not know who she is, because I used to use her music all the time on my channel, yes, I will leave her Instagram handle right here on the side so y'all could go follow her, because she's definitely popping when it comes to like her music. And like she's just young entrepreneurs out here getting it in. Like if you want that entrepreneur vibe, that flow, definitely follow us. Okay. So anyway, I was just sizing the wig on her head to make sure that it fits correctly. And I already did her bald cap or stocking cap. And I'm going to go in with her makeup that's going to go on her stocking cap to help the wig blend and look a little bit better. So I am using Ruby Kisses. I'll leave the number that I'm using on her down below in the description box. And I'm just buffing out all over the cap because we are going to go in with boho liquid gold to adhere this wig. So this is Narissa's first wig, okay? So she was scared of wigs because like she has a lot of excessive facial baby hairs. Like little, small, thin, not superficial, what's the word? Just little, small, little baby hairs around her hairline. That's not her normal baby hairs. And like, she's just very particular about her baby hairs, her natural baby hairs. So she'd be like, oh, I'm not wearing a wig because you got to put the glue on there and I don't want the glue on there and this and that and the other. So I was talking to her and I was like, girl, there's a new glue called boho liquid gold, and you don't necessarily have to use that hardcore glue on your hairline. Like you can use this is water based, so it can go on your hair and it won't pull your hair out. You can just put water on it and she will slide right on off, okay? And so she was like, okay, let's try it. So she came over. I showed her the wig. She never had curly hair before, so this was a plus, okay? And so I installed this wig on her. So she left this wig on for a couple of days because she did photo shoots and things like that. So I ended up putting some of the liquid gold on the actual cap, not necessarily on her hairline, but wherever the lace sit, I put some liquid gold on there as well, just to make sure that it stayed down and it didn't move. Because I just feel like when you only put liquid gold only on the edges of your hairline where the lace sits, that's only for like daily wear. But if you want it to last a little longer, you need to put at least a little, you need to spread that liquid gold all over where the lace is. It's not going to feel hard. It's not going to feel crunchy. It's just going to be super secure. So I like doing it that way, okay? You only need one layer. You just need to spread that layer out. You feel me, okay? So when you put it down, you want to blow dry it on cool, and then you want to go to warm, okay? And you want to work in sections, because section is going to be your best friend, because it's not a sticky consistency. You want to hold it down and blow dry it in place, and it takes about a couple of minutes, but it is worth the wait, okay? Because this is a glueless install. Like this if you lose your edges, you're definitely doing something wrong, because this is not a product that will make you lose your edges, okay? So after I blow dry the lace down, I am going to take some of Got2b Free Spray, and I'm going to spray the hairline down, because it's not a super glue like bow hold active or regular bow hold. It needs a little bit more help, I feel like, around the hairline, just to make sure that everything is laying down flat. So I did spray Got2b Free Spray around the hairline, and then I laid it down with an elastic band to put that pressure on it, just to make sure that it's sitting right and it's going to hug her hairline the right way, and that it's not lifting anywhere, okay? So this is my wax stick. I'm going to use that to help silk press the front of her hairline out, because I've been liking that look lately, even on curly hair. When your front of your hairline is just smooth, it does something for me, you feel me? So I use that. Then I spritz the wax stick with a little bit of spritz, and then I hit it with the hot comb, and it just, you know, presses out so nice and smooth. Now, I would not suggest doing this on your natural hair, okay? Just do this on your wigs, friends. So I'm pressing out her hair, and and then we're gonna go in and just, you know, get her hairline right. So I'm not too sure what happened to my footage of me cutting the lace and doing the baby hair, but we are here. So I decided to go back in with the wax stick and just, you know, do some touch-up work around the baby hairs and the hairline, just to make sure that everything was super flat. And it's like she was just looking at herself in the camera, because she just never seen herself with a wig before, you feel me? So I just went in there and did some touch-up work. And after I do this, I'm going to go back in with my Got To Be Free spray. And I'm going to spray it one more time and tie it down with the elastic band and let it completely dry. And then I'm going to just go in and make the curls pop on this hair. So basically I combed out the curls, and then I'm going to wet it with just water. And then I'm going to use some curl and wave mousse from Cantu. This is just regular mousse. And I use a generous amount, okay? I'm not stingy when it comes to the mousse, because she's not used to curly hair, and I didn't want it to get super big on her, even though she liked that. But I did use a nice amount, and that is basically it, you guys. So this hair is from Nadula. I will have all the specs of this wig down below in the description box. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, okay? You guys know I will be down there answering them things. And this is how her wig turned out. Okay, so how do you feel about the hair?
I feel great about the hair. This is actually feels really soft. It don't feel heavy. It feels like nice, lightweight, just a vibe. It's just a vibe.
And the lace was light brown, so it matches her skin tone really perfect. So if you were any lighter than her, it would be probably a little bit too dark. But if you're darker than her, then you could tint it darker. But yes, this hair was really soft and fluffy.
Yes.
And it also looks good, like when it's combed out.
Like,
yeah.
It's combed out, like big. So
yes.
It looks really good like that too. Yeah, I'm actually excited to wear it like that. I like it a lot, like honestly.
I'm trying to get Narissa into her wig game.
Yes, I'm coming now. Like I I was off, but I'm on today.
And that's all that matters.
Sure, yes.
That's all that matters.